Right, back on the bench. I've decided to take another look at this airfix Vintage Classics HMS Belfast in 1/600 scale. Well, it has the one of the most complicated painting schemes I've ever done, and that doesn't match to the painting guide in the instructions, which is always helpful. But yeah, the main problem with this kit is the moulding. Yeah, I mean, look at all that flash around there. I mean, they're supposed to be individual. I think they're guns or rocket launchers or something. All the flash around these deck guns. Yeah, and these little bits as well, you can barely make out what they're supposed to be, but I've done the other 4 of them, and they're now in place. Where are they? Yeah, so there's 1 there, there's 3 on the other side, so I think I've done a reasonably good job of saving them. But yeah, just where's that bit? It's quite awkward looking through here. Yeah, these bits here. Yeah, the square bits on the end. Let me pop that down. Yeah, where are you, finger? There we go. So these bits aren't supposed to be there. Yeah, I mean, those little guns that I just showed you there. There's 1 here that, yeah, I've cleaned up reasonably well. Come on, focus, you stupid thing. But yeah, that took me ages. So fiddly. I mean, that's only about 4mm high. Yeah, I mean, here's so far. Oh, I'm getting his blinking shadow here. Oh, that's a bit better. Turn around, look out of the room. Yeah, I mean, it's not great. I've been plagued by naff paints as well, Humbrolls. Are really going downhill and getting like 50% of them are too thin to be able to use. So yeah, let's have a look at this bit. Yeah, that's supposed to be the masts that go on the top of the ship. There's more flash than part there. Yeah, you might be able to see them a bit better there. You see what I mean? And these bits as well. Yeah, it is proving to be quite a challenge. But there's one thing I do love. I absolutely love is this cute little Supermarine Walrus in 600 scale. I think it's just, yeah, that was awful. It took me ages to clean that up and make it look vaguely what it's supposed to be. I mean, there's 4 parts in that. Really fiddly, but I love the way it's turned out. You know, it's dead cute. But yeah, still quite a long way to go. I mean, I'm only on instruction number 9, but you know, these Vintage Classics. I mean, I made the HMS hood from this. If you look back in my previous videos, there's a little bit on it in some of them. I didn't do a build video. But yeah, that was pretty bad, but it's not a patch on the terribleness of this kit. I mean, I will quickly, it's up here on a base that I made. Yeah, I used Play-Doh instead of plasticine, so it's all cracked. You can't really see it very well in this light. But I think I did a reasonable job at that. It's come up quite nicely. I mean, one day, as I've said before, I will buy some proper plasticine and redo the base. But yeah, there's a Spitfire I finished the other day. Yeah, very impressed with that. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna. I might do sort of a little series on this. But yeah, I'm gonna leave that there. And just have this as a standalone video. It is 5 minutes long, so yeah, all good. Yeah, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all of that nonsense, and stay tuned for more stuff. Cheers.